Hello friends, today we will start our new topic and new chapter. The name of our chapter is Sports and Nutrition. In this chapter, the first one is meaning of balanced diet. The second one is meaning of nutrition. In that there is also sports nutrition. Then component of nutrition. There are two types of components of nutrition: macronutrients and second one is micronutrients. In macronutrients, there are carbohydrate, protein, fats and water. Same here in micronutrients, there are minerals and vitamins. So we will start from meaning of balanced diet. What is balanced diet? So we can say that a balanced diet refers intake of a table which provide all essential components necessary for growth and maintenance of the body in definite amount in which they are required by the body. Clear? That is balanced diet. Or we can say that a diet consists of variety of different type of food and providing adequate amount of nutrients or nutritions necessary for good health. That is balanced diet. Okay, then the next one is meaning of nutrition. What is nutrition? So, meaning of nutrition is the food that we eat and the way it affects our health is known as nutrition. And the second one, we can say that the process of consuming food is known as nutrition. So, the next one is what is sports nutrition? The sports nutrition is the study and the practice of nutrition and diet which required to improve anyone's athletic performance, that is sports nutrition. Or we can say that nutrition is important for athlete because it provides a source of energy regards to the performance of the activity, because the food we eat impact our strength, training, performance and recovery. That is sports nutrition. Now the next one is nutrition types. The first one is macronutrients. Clear? So we will explain what is macronutrients. So a type of macronutrients is a type of food required in large amount in diet. They supply energy and are needed for growth and maintenance of performed activity. In macronutrients, there are mainly four types of nutrients. The first one is carbohydrate, second one is protein, third one is fats, and the last one is water. So after macronutrients, the first one component is carbohydrate. What is carbohydrate? Carbohydrate is the main source of energy to contain the elements of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. They are very first part, the name of carbo means that they contain carbon, second is means hydrogen, and the third part name is 8, that means it contains oxygen. So in all carbohydrates, the ratio of hydrogen atoms to the oxygen atoms is 2:1. There are two types of carbohydrates. The first one is simple carbohydrates, the second one is complex carbohydrate. So the simple carbohydrate is soluble in water and the complex carbohydrate is insoluble in water. Now the second one is proteins. What is proteins? Yeah. So protein contain carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and sometimes sulfur. Protein are very large molecules, so they cannot get directly into blood. So they are turned into amino acids by our digestive system. There are 23 amino acids. Out of 9 amino acids must be available in the diet. These amino acids are used by the body to create blood, muscles, nails, skin, ear and internal organs. Protein form new tissue, repair the broken tissue, regulate balance of water and acid, transport oxygen and nutrients, and make antibodies. Now the next one is fats. What is fats? So we can say that fat contain carbon, oxygen, hydrogen in the percentage of 76, 12 and 12 respectively. Fats are necessary for make body function. Fat keep our body warm and give protection our organs. It also help in producing our hormones. Clear? Or in simple word we can say that soft white substance under the skin of human or animals is called fats. Now the last one is water. The last nutrient is water. So water is a compound which is made up of hydrogen and oxygen elements in the ratio of 2:1. Our body also can contain 90% of water. It helps in transporting of nutrients to the cell of the body. It also significant in the activity of waste product. It also regulates the body temperature and also completely essential for body metabolism. That is water.